Does your car have a water leak? It can be a terrifying experience if you find yourself asking this question. Water leaks can usually indicate something serious is happening with your vehicle. In this video, we'll explore why your car might be leaking water from the engine and what you need to do about it. Understanding the type of leak and where it originates is essential to ensure proper repairs. There are 9 primary types of car leaks that every car owner should be aware of. These leaks should be addressed quickly to prevent further damage to your vehicle. Here are some of the most common causes of water leaks from your car. Radiator or heater core leaks, AC system leaks, and leaks from the sunroof or windshield can cause water leaks in your car. These leaks can be fixed or repaired by a qualified mechanic. If you notice any water leak from your car, it is crucial to consider the following steps. Identify the source of the leakage, take the car to a professional mechanic for servicing, and regularly inspect your vehicle for leaks to prevent serious and expensive problems in the future. Knowing how to tell what is leaking from your car can help you take the necessary steps to keep your vehicle functioning properly. Check for visible leaks, identify leak fluid color, and check the smoke color to determine the source of the leak. If you cannot identify or fix the leak yourself, take your car to a professional mechanic. With these tips in mind, you'll be better equipped to identify what is leaking from your car and take the appropriate steps to repair it. Taking the time to maintain your car properly can help keep it running well and avoid costly repairs in the future. That's it for today's episode of AxleWise. Don't forget to subscribe and keep revving those engines.